In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a landing page with card.co. Card is a simple, fast way to create a clean, effective landing page without touching code. We'll walk through choosing a template, customizing your content, previewing on different devices, and making it live. By the end, you'll have a focused page that clearly communicates your offer and invites visitors to take action. Start by logging into Card. From your dashboard, click the plus icon labeled New Site, then choose Templates. You'll see a gallery of designs. Select one from the landing page category that matches your goal, whether you're showcasing a product, promoting a service, or building a newsletter waitlist. As you explore, think about the structure you need. A strong headline, a short explanation, and a clear call to action button. Pick a layout that feels close to your vision. You can always tweak fonts, colors, images, and sections once it's loaded. With your template open, click any element to edit it. Card's editor is direct. Select the headline to rewrite it in your brand voice, update subheadings to clarify benefits, and refine body copy so it's concise and persuasive. Click on images to replace them with your own visuals. Aim for high-quality images that load quickly to keep the page snappy. Select buttons to change their text and link them to your sign-up form, product page, or contact method. Keep your primary call to action clear and consistent across the page so visitors always know what to do next. As you customize, pay attention to colors and typography. Choose a color palette that aligns with your brand and makes key elements like the button stand out. Use readable fonts and maintain good contrast for accessibility. If your template includes extra sections you don't need, you can hide or remove them to keep the page focused and lightweight. When you're ready to check your progress, click the preview icon. Review how your landing page looks on both desktop and mobile. On mobile, watch for long lines, cramped spacing, or small buttons. Adjust text sizes and spacing where needed to make it easy to read and tap. On desktop, ensure your hero section communicates value quickly and that everything aligns neatly. Once everything looks good, click Publish to make your landing page live. Card handles the hosting, and you can return at any time to refine your copy, swap images, or adjust styling. That's it. Simple, fast, and effective. Now go ahead and build a landing page that converts.